Welcome back, watch fans, and today we have another really interesting Tissot. We have to share with you the unboxing of the Tissot Seastar 2000 Professional Powermatic 80 with the black PVD case and the blue and black rubber strap with a blue canvas rather. Now what I like about the color of this watch is that it's black and blue, just like one of my favorite Backstreet Boys albums or that dress from a few years ago. Of course, it's got the TANG buckle, the integrated compound canvas and black rubber strap, ceramic bezel insert, integrated helium escape valve, and an exhibition caseback. And still even allowing you to dive down to 600 meters below sea level. I love that wave dial on the watch. The applied indexes give it a really interesting look. 2-year international warranty. A little bit larger piece, something you could wear with jeans, no problem, but maybe not something to wear with your next suit. But of course, packaged in Tissot's new sustainable packaging, this watch is available at Lugaro Jewelers at lugaro.com.